Hi friends, this video is regarding RC390 Duke air filter. So I have a crack on my air filter because of high combustion ratio of RC390. So what I am doing is I went to a guy who do all kinds of syntax tanks and all. So he is doing a plastic welding on my air filter. So it will help me out to sort out the problem because of that unpurified air. My engine gets losses and it can get so much of carbon inside, so that my engine can get down, means get black smoke. It will be seized after some time, so I'm doing it as soon as possible. It was held around 17,000 kilometers because of high acceleration, I think so. And the air filter is done so perfectly, but the thing is, at the bottom of the air filter, the area where it is have been cracked is the thinnest area of that air box, means air filter. So whoever are having the problem, once step it out. So mainly 390cc having this problem in KTM. So I asked for a new one, but I didn't get it. Why? Because they told me that you can wait around 1.5 months like that, or 20 days, so that we can bring it. So I said it's better to fix it. Why? Because it's in my bike. So I went for a service. So they said me that it is cracked. Actually I checked it and I told them. So it is almost done. You can see that perfectly. This is my RC390. So you can see how it is filled. It is filled perfectly. Previously we have a crack on it. So it is filled perfectly with the welding. Thank you for watching much.